Students, this is the third lesson. I will not have a bath. I-W-I-L-L will, N-O-T not, H-A-V-E have, a B-A-T-H bath. Okay, so I will not have a bath. See students, you are taking bath. Every day you are bathing or not? Yes, it's a good habit. Am I right? Okay, we have to brush our teeth, we have to take bath, we have to wear the clean cloth, we have to cut our nails regularly, our hair regularly, we have to put the oil in our hair. Yes or not? So these are known as a good habit. We have to clean our body. Okay, so here we have to learn regarding some good habits. Warm up. T-I-C-K, tick. This is a which sign? Yes, right. Okay, this is the right sign. The C-O-R-R-E-C, correct. B-O-X, box, tick. The correct box. Okay. See first one, you have to tick yes or no. Okay. So D-O, do, Y-O-U, B-R-U-S-H, brush, Y-O-U-R, yo, T-E-E-T-H, which spelling is this? Yes, teeth, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. Do you brush your teeth every day? Do you brush your teeth? If you are doing every day, then tick the yes. And who are not doing brush every day, you have to tick over here no. And you have to start to do every day. But I know my kids are the good kids. They are doing their brush daily. Yes or not? So you have to tick over here. Now see. D-O, do, Y-O-U-U, H-A-V-E, have, a, B-A-T-H, bath, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. Do you have a bath every day? Do you have a bath every day, students? Yes. So we have to tick Y-E-S, yes. Okay. D-O, do, Y-O-U-U, W-A-S-H, wash, Y-O-U-R, yo, H-A-I-R, hair, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. Do you wash your hair every day? Yes, we are washing. But some girls having the long hair, they are not washing every day. Then it's okay. Okay, but boys have to wash their hair every day. So write over here, yes. D-O, do, Y-O-U-U, W-A-S-H, wash. Now who will tell the answer? Y-O-U-R means what the pronunciation? Yes, your, H-A-N-D, hand, but here one hand then hand, but two hand then hands. B-E-F-O-R-E, before, A-N-D and, A-F-T-E-R, after, E-V-E-R-Y, every, M-E-A-L, meal. Meal means food. You are taking now food. So these known as are meal. Okay. Do you wash your hand before and after every meal? Yes, first you have to wash, then only you have to start your food. And after complete this meal, again you have to wash your hand. Okay, so yes, so I know all my students are with this habit. Okay, you have the good habits. Now let's read. I-W-O-N-T, want. Okay, want is a short form of will not. I will not have a bath. I won't get into the tub. Okay, I don't want to take a bath. I don't want to get in a tub. Why should I bath every day? Why should I have bath every day? I won't, say the little boy. Whenever small kids are you also listen like these were words from your small brothers and small sisters. Okay, no, mama, I don't want to take a bath. Yes or not? Because they don't know we have to clean our body. But my kids are big and good. They know the thing. Yes or not? Okay. So whenever your small brothers and sister, either your neighbors, anywhere they are saying like this way, no, mama, I don't want to bath. Why I get into tub? Then you have to explain them. We have to bath every day. We have to clean our body like this way. Okay? Son, you must have a bath every day. It keeps your body clean, says his mother. His mother is explaining, my dear sons, you have to take bath every day. आपको रोज बाथ लेना चाहिए. आपको अपना बॉडी क्लीन रखना चाहिए. Yes or not? So we have to clean our body. Who said? His mother. Then the little boy says, yes, mother, but first please give me a yellow duck and my red bucket. What he said? Give me my yellow ducks and red buckets. Okay, mother brings them. Now, please give me my small boat. You can see over here small boat, B-O-A-T boat. The big ship and the blue whale. Here blue whale and here big ship. Okay, says the little boy. What they want? The little boy wants his toys. Which toys? Duck, bucket, boat, ship and whale. Okay. He then puts all the toys in the tub. Where he put all the toys in the tub? He turns to his mother and says, look at this tub now. It's full of toys. Yes or not? So many toys are there. There is no place for me. I can't have a bath now. What he is doing? He is finding excuse. I want to bath, but here it is full of toys. So now I can't have a bath. Okay, how I can bath in this tub? Because it's full of toy. Okay, तो ये बॉय क्या कर रहा है? बहाना बना रहा है कि मुझे तो नहाना था, लेकिन अभी तो ये टब में बहुत सारे टॉयज है. हाउ कैन आई बाथ? ओके, मदर picks up the boy and place him into the water. What mother did? Pick up and place into water. There is a place for everyone here. So see students, you are not doing like this way. You have to tell your mama, I am ready for the bath, like this way. Okay. Now exercise. See, the little boys like to have a bath? No. Okay. The boy wants his toys? Yes. So you have to put true. He puts the toys in the bucket? No. Where he put the toys? In the tub. So here false. This statement is not true. So you have to give over here cross sign. The bathtub is full of toys. Yes, it's full of toys. Not too much full, but over here so many toys are there. The boy has a bath at last because her mother put inside. Okay, so over here true. Understood? So see students, which things we have to learn from over here? We have to take a bath every day. We have to cut our nail every day. We have to brush our teeth every day. Okay, don't make the bad boy like this. Okay, now see, match the column. One has done for you. C-U-T, cut. Cut, we have to match with the N-A-I-L's, nails. We are cutting our nails, so you have to match. Okay, now see, first one is B-A-T-H-E, bath. What we have to bath? T-W-H, teach. We have to bath with our teeth? No. Hair? No. CLEN clean. CLOTHES cloth? Clean cloth? No. BODY body? Yes, we have to bath our body. So bath we have to match with the body. Then COMB comb. Comb we have to, we are combing? Yes, what things we are combing? Hair. So find HAIR, hair. WEAR, where? What we are wearing? Yes, clean clothes. So match with the clean clothes. What we are brush? Teeth. We are brushing our teeth. So over here you have to match it. Okay. So this way you have to match and try to find the answer. So see students, you have to try to read also. Okay. Then only you can match. Okay. If you are not understand, then read again. COMB comb. Then repeat 5 to 10 times. COMB comb. COMB comb. Comb we have to match with the HAIR hair. Like this way. Okay. So my dear kids, try to understand and try to read this one by yourself. Thank you.